5 a.m., but we're happily exhausted. We are on our way to one of the most beautiful destinations in the world. It's about a 5-hour ferry ride, so we've got a lot of time to stretch, watch the sunrise. We drop a couple of people off at a nearby port before heading back out. Hi, cruise ship, to our final destination. Santorini. I need to shave. We pre-rented the car because we knew as soon as we docked and got off the ship, we wanted to be on our way down that street and up that hill to bucket list number 7. We made it.
Holy crap.
Are you kidding me with this view? I mean, look at that water. We're in Santorini. Santorini. It's a dream destination for so many people, and we're here. That pool is right next to our hotel room. What? Maria came over and brought us some refreshments. I got pastries, and Natalie got her juice, which she absolutely loves. And we just sat there going, what is going on? I mean, what? We chilled out for a couple of hours before heading to the red, white, and black beaches. The red beach is known for its red rocks, definitely not the sand. The sand was very stony. We walked down the path, saw a guy playing with his drone. Now I wish I had brought my drone with me. And made our way over to the boat that would take us over to the white beach. The captain patiently explained to us that 6 p.m. was the last boat that we could catch, literally the last boat. If you didn't get that boat, you were going to stay there until the next morning. We all cracked up laughing. He wasn't laughing. 20 minutes later, we arrived at the white beach, which is mostly limestone with a lot of sandy rocks. We decided to get off the boat and have a drink, some coffee, get back on the boat, and head our way back to go to the black beach, which yeah, you can shake your head. I know, I deleted the footage by mistake, so we have no black beach footage. So moving on. We made our way back to the port to drive down south to go to the Akrotiri Lighthouse, which was super windy at the top, but the views were incredible. We drove to the other side of the island to watch one of the world's most beautiful sunsets. I'm saying something about following the crowd, and wherever they're going, we're gonna go. It got more and more crowded the closer we got to the coast, where you could see the sunset happening. I mean, really crowded, but it was completely worth it to watch it just fade away. Wow. Look at that. That was a good way to end the night. Quick morning slap while we waited for our ferry to take us to the island of Milos. It was freezing cold in there. I forgot my beanie, so hey, I had to improvise. The high-speed ferry was $59, very bumpy, very cold, but only 2 hours to get to Milos. Milos is a quiet little island where you can get to any point within 20 minutes. So we asked them where the nearest beach was, and that's where we went. Natalie got her clothes off, as usual, and dove into the beautiful, cool Mediterranean waters. Then we got back into the car to head over to the beautiful limestone beach of Santorini. I'm just gonna shut up so you can see the amazing view. Made it to Santorini. I can't. So beautiful. Super high winds and water are constantly changing these rock formations, which were developed out of volcanic ash. People literally come from all over the world just to see what the rock formations are going to look like. It literally looks like an alien planet. Like, it's nothing that I've ever seen before. We sat here for a good couple of hours, namasteing and praying and meditating and all of those things that you do in a place like this. I mean, look at it. Underneath all of these were caves that were created when men came in and excavated all of the rock to use for building purposes. 25 minutes later, we drove into the town of Mandrakia. Mandrakia is not so much a town as it is a fisherman's village with these cute little houses that were dotted all over the coastline, as well as all of these little boats that were used to collect all the fish, I'm assuming, that they're known for. Had a little dance to get it, work it. We had lunch at the famous Medusa restaurant, which is known around the world for their famous grilled octopus. I had cheese, and I had swordfish with french fries. Natalie had something. I don't remember what it was, but it was really, really good. We soaked up the sun before starting to head out. Natalie, there's a wave coming. There's a wave coming. There's a wave coming. On to the city of Plaka, which is one of the centers of Milos. I'm really running out of adjectives to describe how incredible this place is. I'm going to say white, blue, stones, cats that are sleeping and relaxing during the day. I think that's where everybody was because it was pretty quiet, but it was not quiet enough to make Natalie stop dancing. We went to the local pastry shop, which was open, and they had some delicious pastries. Of course, you know I tried all of them, which is why I've got to lose so much weight when I get back to the States. The little dog waved us goodbye as we made our way back to Santorini. We got home just before sunset, which I was able to capture with my DJI Mavic, shameless plug. I used it to find the sunset and also to show the hotel where we were staying. For our second night, the Dana Hotel gave us another room, which was a lot smaller, but just as cool. It had an outdoor lounge area where we just chilled out and watched the sun drop. It was amazing. Being in a whirlpool to watch the rest of the light come out of the sky is icing on the cake. Get it, Natalie? We had the most amazing time here at the Dana Hotel. I just wanted to thank you guys for your hospitality. Both of the rooms that you gave us were incredible. Your staff was super friendly. Your facilities are clean and amazing. And the food was incredible. Santorini has been one of the most amazing experiences of my life. And I cannot wait to come back and do it again. Who's coming with me?